to peel these smoked sausage and put them in the red beans. Take the skin off. This the red beans. Y'all probably can't see it, cause see, that's the red beans. I'm about to put them on, and I'm peeling the smoked sausage. Sit down. Cut it up. I'm gonna peel the skin off it. They got all that skin on there. Y'all. That baby be sleeping. Oh, Cora. Better try to. Okay, y'all. I'm cutting the smoked sausage up. See that? And I'm about to put them in a. Oh, cut that light on. I can't see. Cut that other light over the sink. Yeah, but that light is broke. They got a piece of that thing broke in there. What, that light over the sink? Yeah, you gotta get electricity out to take that out. A light like outside broke. Yeah, I'm cutting the smoked sausage up. Like outside. That one broke outside. A light broke in it. Yeah, have me dark in here. I'm trying to record. She about to have me in the dark, y'all. And I'm trying to record on YouTube. Cut the smoked sausage up. Y'all have smoked sausages. Y'all take the skin off. You can take the skin off and cut it like this, and you put it in the red beans like this. Y'all can do that. See, I'm taking the skin off it. I want to cut some onion up, but I don't feel like doing all that, y'all. But I'm trying to hurry up if I can make me a breakfast smoothie and then eat. Okay, there we go. I'm cutting the meat and about to put it in the beans. And I don't have no one to help me to record, so I am doing this by myself. Show me love on this video, will y'all please? Show me some love on this video. They really put, you really can put sugar in the beans for gas. And that's what I'm thinking about putting in there. For gas, y'all. But that's gonna be good. It's like dog meat, huh? But it's not. Smoked sausage, not dog meat. Okay, this is the last piece. You don't need all that in there. Just 1 pound of beans I'm cooking. Go. Y'all, I'm so hot. Y'all. I should have brought my fan in this kitchen. I'm so hot. And I have my watermelon in there that I'm going to eat later. Ooh, I got to eat me some of that, y'all. Okay. I'm cutting all the skin off. All the skin off, y'all. I ain't been making enough videos on here. I need to get my old account back. See that? Cut the skin. You won't have to worry about the skin getting all in your mouth when you're eating the beans, in your throat, and your teeth, while you're trying to enjoy the red beans. You know what I'm saying? I make good beans. Good beans. Really good beans. Y'all. Okay. All right. Now, I'm about to wash the meat off. Wash the meat off and put the meat in the pot. Make sure the skin is not on here. Okay. I'm washing it off. Alright, wash the meat off. Now I'm about to put the meat in there. And a stick of butter. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. And here we go. That's the smoked sausage and the red beans. And I gotta put a stick of butter. Butter. That's the season. That's the flavor. Flavor to it. I need a flavor. Y'all. Real flavor. Not too much in there. Yeah. Good. I should have cut a piece of onion up, y'all, and put some onion in there. And I gotta fix some rice. After a while, a little dash. A little dash of season, not that much, you know. A little dash. All right. All right. Some butter in there. I don't have no more onion, so I can't put no onion in there. See the beans. That's the beans. I wish I had someone to record me, y'all. But I'm about to wash wash this off. Yeah, that's done. Cooking with Smoothie Queen. Y'all cooking with Smoothie Queen. Smoothie Queen. Cooking with Smoothie Queen. I'm gonna call this some cooking red beans with Smoothie Queen. Okay. Lid, cut them down and let them get done. Okay. Look at y'all. Look at. See all that skin? That's all the skin came off the smoked sausages. I'm done. I'm done. I clean up my mess. All the skin is going in this bag right here. Skin off the meat. So y'all have meat like that with skin on. Y'all take the skin off it. It'll be more easier to eat. Won't be getting in your teeth. Well, let's see, y'all. I gotta put this almond milk in the freezer so it can stay cold. That's it. I'm done. Cooking with Smoothie Queen. Peace.